Have you ever wondered why some people seem to succeed effortlessly while others struggle? Could it be the power of habits? Indeed, habits, like the countless threads of a spider's web, weave the fabric of our lives. They can be our staunchest allies or our fiercest foes. Today, our journey explores the importance of cultivating good habits. These are the invisible architects of success, silently shaping our destiny. So let's delve into the fascinating story of a person who harnessed the power of good habits. Meet Sam, a successful entrepreneur who started his journey at a very young age. Sam's story is not one of overnight success, but a tale of consistent small changes that had a profound impact over time. As a kid, Sam was just like any other. He loved playing video games, hanging out with friends, and had a knack for creating things. But what set him apart was his curiosity and the willingness to cultivate good habits from a very young age. One of these habits was waking up early. Sam realized that the quiet hours of dawn allowed him to focus and plan his day without distractions. This was his first step towards productivity, a small change that made a big difference. Another habit Sam developed was reading. He was not a voracious reader initially, but he made it a point to read at least one book a month. Over time, this habit grew stronger, and he started devouring books. The knowledge he gained from reading opened up new perspectives and ideas, sparking his entrepreneurial spirit. Exercise was another crucial habit that Sam incorporated into his routine. He understood that a healthy body contributes to a healthy mind, so he made sure to include a workout session in his daily routine, no matter how busy he was. This not only kept him physically fit, but also helped him maintain mental clarity and resilience. These habits didn't bring about a sudden transformation in Sam's life. Instead, they gradually shaped his character, honed his skills, and built his discipline. They were the building blocks that laid the foundation for his entrepreneurial journey. Sam's success didn't happen overnight. It was the result of his commitment to these habits, the discipline he showed in sticking to them, and the consistency with which he applied them in his life. His story is a testament to the fact that success is not a destination, but a journey paved with good habits. Sam's story is not a fairy tale. It's a testament to the power of good habits. His journey is a shining example that small, consistent changes can lead to significant transformations. And that success is not just about achieving a goal, but about the journey and the habits you cultivate along the way. The impact of Sam's habits extended far beyond his personal success. Let's delve into how the ripple effects of his good habits have permeated his professional life, relationships, and overall happiness. In the professional sphere, Sam's habits of punctuality, dependability, and continual learning have made him a respected figure. His colleagues and superiors trust him implicitly, knowing that if Sam is on the job, it will be done right. This reputation has not only helped him secure promotions, but also opened doors to new opportunities. In his relationships, habits like active listening and showing empathy have fostered deep connections. He's known as a reliable friend, a supportive partner, and a caring family member. These relationships, built on trust and mutual respect, have enriched his life, providing him with a network of love and support. When it comes to overall happiness, Sam's habits play a pivotal role. His habit of daily exercise keeps him physically fit, while his practice of mindfulness helps maintain his mental well-being. He's also cultivated the habit of gratitude, which allows him to appreciate the good in his life, fostering a positive outlook. These habits, while seemingly small, have compounded over time, helping Sam maintain his success and continue to grow. His life is a testament to the power of good habits and the profound effect they can have on every aspect of our lives. Sam's journey underscores the profound impact of good habits. From Sam's story, we can glean several key points. The first thing to take away is the importance of starting to build good habits at a young age. It's like planting a seed. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow and flourish. The second key takeaway is the profound impact these habits can have on different aspects of life. Good habits are like a compass, guiding us towards success in our personal and professional lives. They help us maintain discipline, improve productivity, and foster a positive mindset. Lastly, let's not forget the role these habits play in achieving and maintaining success. Success isn't a destination, but a journey. And good habits are the vehicle that drives us on this journey. They are the stepping stones that lead us to our goals, turning the impossible into the possible. Remember, success isn't about luck. it's about the power of good habits. So, start building yours today.